The coolest keychain accessories for your everyday carry. Welcome, we present the most innovative and practical keychain accessories to upgrade your everyday carry. 1. KeySmart Key Holder and Organizer. Say goodbye to jingling pockets with a KeySmart Key Holder and Organizer. This sleek and lightweight device can hold up to 12 standard-sized keys, keeping them organized and easily accessible on your keychain. 2. Jurassic Croc Multi-Tool. Add a prehistoric touch to your keychain with this titanium multi-tool featuring a Jurassic skull design. It comes equipped with a bottle opener, pry bar, and screwdriver, making it a handy companion for any task. 3. Star Trek Klingon Batlift Multi-Tool. Feel like a warrior with this Star Trek-inspired multi-tool, shaped like the iconic Klingon weapon. Use it to tighten bolts, drive screws, open bottles, and conquer everyday challenges like a true Klingon. 4. Keychain Lighter Multi-Tool. Never be without a flame with this compact and waterproof keychain lighter. Whether you're camping or need a quick light, this tool is a must-have on your keychain. 5. Apple AirTag. Keep track of your belongings with the Apple AirTag. Attach it to your keychain, luggage, or even your pet to use iPhone's Find My app to locate your items with ease. Join us as we explore these fascinating keychain gadgets and many more. From versatile multi-tools to useful gadgets like a mini butcher cleaver and tiny UV flashlight, we've got you covered. Discover unique and creative keychain accessories that suit your lifestyle and make your daily tasks more efficient. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest keychain innovations and be part of us. Get ready to level up your keychain game with these cool keychain accessories.